Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, something I've been doing now for about a year. And before I continue, make sure you stay to the end, because after the update, I always talk about something of interest to do with the market. Also, make sure you understand I'm not a financial planner. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner or advisor, so do your own due diligence, your own research. And also, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So with that, we'll share my screen. Go to the update. So this is a spreadsheet I've been updating. If you've been watching the videos, you'll understand the format. So I want to go to this page here and get the figures. So this particular portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of altcoins or alternative coins. And we've got totals at the top here. Left-hand side is in US dollars, right-hand side is British pounds, same portfolio. So Bitcoin is 40,998 or 29,000 pounds, 679. Split between the Bitcoin and the altcoins is around 27%, 30% at the moment. So anyway, the figure I want here is this one here. 111,604.47. So time 111,604.47. Is it 47? Yeah. And the top one is 152,603.31. 152,603. I don't know what it is. 673. 31. 603.31. 603. Okay. So bring that down. This is over the last 2 days. So it's gone up over the last 2 days, 5,000. The altcoins have. Bitcoin's gone up 288. Okay, so the altcoins have gone up 5,065 over the last 2 days. The Bitcoin's gone up 288 over the last 2 days, and the total portfolio is now 5,000. It's gone up by, should I say, 5,353. Okay, so that's cool. Let's take a look at the markets. So this is just looking at the crypto market. Seems to gain some strong support here at the 1.6 trillion level. And we'll see whether it will hold, whether it will come down to this, but more importantly, looking closely at more Bitcoin, again, following the same kind of trend. This shows that this is the peak of December 2027, and here we are today. So, as you can see, we have come a long way since 2017, and Bitcoin has done well. If you got in, here's the interesting thing: if you got in anytime before this peak, you'd be doing really well today. Even if you got in at the very top of the market, which is kind of, people would say, the worst time to get in, and then it fell down, okay, a lot of people would have said, oh, they got in at the wrong time, they lost. Well, anytime you got in here's a good deal, because today you'll be laughing if you held. And the people who are successful today are the people who got in here. Sometimes they may have lost money because it went down, but they held, and today they're laughing. And so no one has ever lost money who's held Bitcoin for 4-year period. Okay, so a lot of people keep treating it as a short-term, 3-week, 6-week, 3-month experience. It's not. So, and as it's, as it has gone from here to here, so will it go from here to here. So will it go from here to something much higher. And we'll be looking back at this point, we should be looking like this. So if you bought Bitcoin at the top here, if you bought Bitcoin down here, it'd be good if you got it down here. Okay, but if you got it up here, it's okay. But if you got it down there, it's okay. So if you got it, bought Bitcoin here, if you got it down here, it's okay. By 2027, okay, and those kind of dates, it won't make a difference. You'll be happy that you did. And back then, the new high, they'll be looking back and say, oh, if only they got in at 60,000, at 40,000. Okay, here we are at 40,000, and people are not making the most of it. So understand we've come a long way, and we've got a long way to go. Still dancing at the bottom of the Gaussian channel, a little bit higher, got a little bit high, trying to get up, but we're still at the bottom underneath the medium line. So we'll see this particular candle ends in 3 days and 8 hours. So we'll see where it ends, but it's got a lot of work to do to escape the gravity of the Gaussian channel. This particular indicator is showing that we are bounced from a, shall we say, a downtrend to a slightly uptrend, but that uptrend is kind of coming to a little bit to an end as the red is starting to come up to the green. It's not a very strong uptrend because this line is above the red, but it's heading downwards, like they're about to change guards again. If you look more, shall we say, let's say on the 3-day, okay, or on the 1-week chart, we're still generally on a downtrend. If you look on the 1-week chart, so nothing much has changed. And this particular indicator, which I've talked about a few times, combination of different moving averages, shows that, you know, we are still a way away from recovering because, you know, as I've shown you in previous videos, when the price action is above the red orange line, we've got red, orange, you know, it's the colors of the rainbow basically. But red and orange line, the price action is on or around that, we're in a bull market. When it dips under the yellow, then that's a warning signal. When it dips under the green, that's a confirmation. And so it's going to ride it all the way down. So now it's ridden all the way down under, you know, therefore we have the red and the orange here, and even the yellow and green have followed it. They have to get back up. The green first of all, they've got to go beyond, above the purple line. Once they go above the purple line, then you know we've got some recovery inside. So this 40,000 is still weak. It's a weak recovery. It's not a recovery at all. To be honest with you, it's not a recovery at all. So very weak recovery. So I mean, things are still bearish. Okay, it's nice to be 41,000. 40 when, you know, last week and the week before we're in the 30s, late 30s, but it's still a weak recovery. So things are still very much bearish. We need to see these red and orange lines come up, cross the yellow, cross the green, and then cross the purple for us to see some strong recovery. So we're, you know, as always, we'll keep you posted. You keep watching this channel, and you'll be able to track and spot the recovery, and it happens. Again, just as it gave us warning signs on the way down, it will give us warning and confirmation signs on the way down. It will give us warning and confirmation signs on the way up. Okay, so watch out for that. So this is a good time to buy. Basically, this is a good time to buy. Up here is a good time to sell. Now, I'm not talking about really selling your Bitcoin, but these trends also play true in other kind of coins that you may be holding. And that if you sold then and take the profits and invest it into Bitcoin, okay, that's what you really want to do. You want to use your altcoins to make profits and then take your profits and invest into Bitcoin. You don't want to oversell your Bitcoin. There's no need to sell your Bitcoin. Invest in Bitcoin and altcoins, and top 20 top 100, and when they make a profit, you take that profit and you put some of it back into Bitcoin. You put some of it back into growing your wealth. You pay yourself as well. But that's the state of the market now. Still a state of weakness. Okay, despite what this may look like, the bit of green on top, really closely, is still very weak, or should I say very low, which is great. It's still very good for buying. Okay, and it may get even better for buying before it comes, before it goes, high and come overboard. So make sure also you visit our website, IamWealthyandRich.com, and how to understand the game of money and play it well. And scroll down to this little form here. Get your millionaire mindset, investment strategy. Fill in the short form, and we'll send it to you straight away. It's free access. Apply what you see in the videos, and then also apply the strategy as well. And I look forward to seeing you in there. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.